What's up guys, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, we're gonna do something quick, easy, and fun. Now there's this notion when you're growing out your beard and your mustache is to not cut it, and that's wrong. In fact, you should be detail oriented, that way everything is sharp and tight. Now there are times where we're gonna have to grow, we're gonna get in that awkward stage, but for right now, my beard is growing really solid. We're keeping it at about a 1/4 inch length, but my mustache is coming back, and I wanna show you guys the first week what the first cut we should make. Now this is a great opportune time to really dial things up. Now within the mustache, the bottom layer of the stash is gonna be growing over our lips first, because the top part actually has to follow as well. Now we're gonna do one thing, and that's gonna clean up the bottom of the lip, and that's gonna move us into the second and third week while everything stays nice and sharp. So we're gonna take our clipper and we're gonna ride the lip, and we're gonna use that angle of the lip to clip the hair. So get your clippers out, have it reversed so it's pointing out, put it on your lip, and you're gonna ride it all the way across your mustache, okay? So click it on, put it on the lip, and ride. You really don't need a mirror for it. Put it on the lip, ride. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple, you can't mess it up. We're riding the lip on the mustache, getting that nasty hair that's curling over, and that's the main part of the problem. Now this is gonna let the top layer of your mustache to start growing out, and every couple weeks we're gonna pay attention to that bottom lip, because as our top hairs grow over, they're gonna start blending in and everything's gonna look nice and neat. So this is a great way to manage those hairs that grow at different lengths and in different speeds, because not every follicle is gonna grow the same. So make sure you guys are going slow and smooth when it comes to the cuts and trims. We don't wanna go overboard. So that being said, you guys like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See you.